It certainly looks as if this was a misstep. I don't buy for a second all of these intrigues and conspiracy theories.
Trying to destroy shale and all that. Or it's a lesson to the Saudis.
No, I don't think that this is it. I think it was simply a miscalculation. But the Russians came into Vienna last week saying that, look, let's not take any hasty moves. Let's roll the existing deal, which runs up to the end of March. Let's roll it for 3 more months. It'll give us a better picture, and then we can decide more sensibly. And I think, the Saudis had a different view. They wanted to do something much more urgently. It does kind of somewhat reflect the different maybe financial positions of the respective countries. Russia is now in a much stronger financial position than it was in 2014, whereas the Saudis had the upper hand financially. So I think it reflects the fact that the Saudis really do need a higher price, need higher tax oil revenue. The Russians are much more comfortable.
Okay. Who blinks first in this story? Because if you are saying it's a kind of mistake, it's an error, then surely the Russians can back down at some point and sign themselves up to a new deal here.
Well, I think given what's happened, it now complicates the story. So in the sense of, we're not going to get somebody turning up today saying, sorry, whoops, we made a mistake. That's not going to happen. I think it will take a little while to wind this out. But, 2 things. One is, the fact that US shale has been kind of growing relentlessly, and that really has annoyed both Moscow and Riyadh, that they've been doing the production deals and the US shale producers have been taking advantage. So, that's now in the frame, as it were, and they'll be looking to see what happens to US production, perhaps hoping or looking to see if the high-cost producers, particularly those that have come on the last couple of years, will now have to kind of scale back, if not shut down. That'll be one factor. But on top of that, though, I think the political relationship between Russia and Saudi is too important to let blow away on the back of maybe what is a misstep, misunderstanding, miscalculation. I would expect that when the dust settles, maybe in the next couple of weeks, rather than anything immediate, we'll start to see a dialogue emerge between Putin and the Crown Prince with a view to fixing it. So not a case of who blinks first, but more a case of let's come up with something sensible in the light of what's happened. And I think that provides the excuse.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.